Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for mastering software and tech tools one click at a time. In today's video, we are diving into Pumble, the free team communication platform that's gaining popularity for its simple, Slack-like interface and real-time messaging features. Whether you're working remotely, managing a team, or just looking for a streamlined way to stay connected, Pumble has got some awesome features that might just replace your current chat tool. So we will walk you through how to set up your workspace, start conversations, organize channels, and even integrate it into your workflow step by step. If you're ready to level up your team communication, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do, visit the official website of Pumble. On the top corner, you have the option to log in using your credentials. But of course, we all know that the better option is to click the sign up button. And to make the account creation faster and easier, you can sign up with your Google account, with your Apple account, or you can also simply use your personal or business email and click the continue button. Once you've done that, you will be forwarded to the main homepage of Pumble. And as you may notice, it offers a very clean interface. It's intuitive and user-friendly. In the left side panel of our navigation area, we have all the tools and features that we are going to explore. Number one is going to be the threads. This is going to be the ongoing conversations that are part of any message threads. Since this is a newly created account, we don't have yet anything in place. Okay, so instead of replying in the main channel here, which we're going to discuss in a few seconds, users can reply to a specific message, keeping discussions organized, which is really great for keeping context in busy channels. Now, the direct message is going to be the private one-on-one or small group chats with team members. Okay, it's a use for quick questions, private conversations, or direct collaboration without cluttering channels. And then there's going to be the create new section. So this is the go-to option for you to create a new message, create a meeting, and create a channel. So we're going to create our first message here for now. So the email is going to be, let's say we're going to search for a specific person. All right. So let's say we're going to use the Clockify by Cake.com. And then once you've done that, you need to enter the message around here. For example, you can be like creative. You can add an emoji if you want. For example, something like this. And then you have the ability to add any media. Okay, so let's add that. And then click the send message. Now you have figured out a way on how to create your first message here using Pumble, which is directed to your team. Speaking of the create new, we're going to create a new meeting to start a video and conferencing. So you can invite people here, for example, and then create the new link and then start the meeting. This will forward you to a new page. So you need to allow the access for your camera and microphone so that you would be able to start the meeting right here. Okay, so you have the option to join now, all right, and you can also have the ability to record, plus the settings to now after leaving the meeting, you can also create a new channel, which is kind of really important here. And here we can create something like for example, let's say how to use Pumble. You can also have the option to make it private if you want, but I'm not going to do that. Instead, I wanted to be a collaborative part of an environment that I wanted to share with my team. Or if you're working with a client, you can do that. You can add your channel here, everyone, since it's not basically private. And right here, as you have configured and created your channel, we're going to go now to the direct messages, which is going to be a part of an option earlier, and the mentions and reactions. With this, it displays all messages where you were mentioned, like using your name. You can also show emoji reactions to your messages, helping you track engagement and follow up on important messages easily, right? The save section lets you bookmark or save messages for future references, which is useful for saving action items, important information, or links without needing to search later. The drafts and schedule stores all the unpublished messages you were composing but didn't send. So if you want to start a new message, we can do that. For example, use this and try to type in something here and click the send button. All right. Now it helps with planned communication or reviewing unfinished thoughts. The all channels refers to all the unpublished messages plus within the channels. All right. So it lists all the public and private channels in the Workspace. It lets you browse or maybe join relevant channels based on projects, teams, or interests. Right now, we only have like 3 channels. We have the random, general, and the how to use Pumble, which we have created earlier. The files refers to the all shared documents, images, and videos and attachments within the Workspace. And the people and user groups shows a list of all the team members that you have in the Workspace. If you want to invite people, you can do that. Invite by email, for example, email.com, and then you can invite it as a member, a single channel guest, or a multi-channel guest. It's up to you. So you can set the access level to the channel that you are inviting a specific person. It could be your team member, your client, and a lot more. And click the send invite option. Okay, and then right down here, you have all the sections that you can choose to do, but there is going to be an apps here. The apps section, if you click on it, you will be forwarded here. All right, so you can have a lot of apps that you can use to automate repetitive tasks, and of course, automate and make a seamless connection with Pumble. You can use from Zapier, GitHub, API, Google Calendar, email or Gmail, and a lot more. Okay, so it's up to you. You have the permission to set that, manage members, import data, and configure apps. If you wanted to browse at the marketplace, you also have the ability to do that. That's going to be via cake.com. Okay, so it'll take a little while to load. Now, the marketplace offers a lot of integrations that you may or might not already been using as part of a seamless integration within the Pumble ecosystem. Okay, and with that being said, thank you so much for watching our walkthrough on how to use Pumble, the team communication platform. We explored its features like threads, direct messages, mentions, and channels, all designed to boost team productivity and collaboration. Pumble is a solid alternative to Slack, with a clean interface, easy to use, and best of all, it offers a generous free plan with unlimited users. Whether you're a small startup or a growing team, it's definitely worth trying out. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more tutorials just like this one. If you have any questions or experiences, or maybe you want us to cover another platform, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.